Hello guys, it's Adheesh. Welcome to C15 by Learn Things. In this video, we're going to talk about functions. Okay, so before starting with the functions, before writing the program of functions, we will discuss about the theory of functions. So there are two types of functions, built-in and user-defined functions. Okay, user-defined functions are included in some libraries. So this printf function here, which is a user-defined function, it is included in standard input-output library, which is imported using this statement has include stdr.h. So there are many other built-in functions included in many libraries. There are many other libraries like math.h, which can be imported using the same statement like include math.h, which has all the mathematical functions like square root or power. Okay, there is another library string.h. Okay, we will learn about this one later. So you can use those functions in those libraries without defining them because they are already defined in those files. In this stdr.h header file, this printf function is already defined, so you can directly use this function here. But suppose you're gonna do some task whenever you want, you are not gonna write those lines again and again. Suppose there is a code of 10 lines and you're gonna do again and again, and you have to want to execute it whenever you want. So you're gonna write that code whenever you are executing that code. You are not gonna write that code again and again. So what you do is write a function for it and you call that function whenever you want. So the lines of code will get reduced and not much pain for you. So in the user defined functions there are 4 types. Before getting to the types, function has a return type, function name, and input parameters. Like this function here, it has return type integer, its function name is main, and it has no return values. There no input parameters. Input parameters are inside this brackets. This printf here has a input parameter which is string. We will learn about string later. So this is a string which is being given. We are passing that string to printf function, and printf is printing that on your console. So first type of built-in user-defined function is no return type and no input parameters. No return type means void. We write void when there is no return type. So let us say a function name, function 1, or let's say function type 1. Okay, so it has no return type and no input parameters, so we don't have to write anything inside this. The second type is return type and no input parameters. So return type could be anything, char, array, or integer, anything. So I'm just writing int here. Function type 2, it has no input parameters. The third type is no return type and with input parameters. So input parameters could be again anything, integer, character, array, anything. So let's write int here. And the fourth type is with return type and with input parameters. So int function type 4. So there are many ways using which you can use function, you can declare functions. So we are not gonna learn them in this video. We'll learn them in the next video. So that is all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Thank you.